Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix contact card not working in iOS 17. So guys, contact card is a new feature which has come with iOS 17, but many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to iOS 17 they are facing an issue of contact card, that their contact card feature is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this. So if you're one of them and looking for a fix, so you're in the right video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix contact card not working issue. So guys, first is first, you have to do is simply restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your device by going to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple regularly release updates that address bugs and improvement system stability. So you have to scroll up and tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is simply recreate the contact card. If the problem is specific to a particular contact card, try deleting the contact and recreating it. This might help if there's a corruption issue with the existing contact information. After this, then you have to do is simply enable your background app refresh. To do this, you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh and you have to make sure that it's enabled and select it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. After trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your settings. This won't erase your data but will reset system settings to their default values. To do this, you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.